An executive chef at the Triangle is using his skill set to invest in the future.
You know, it comes at a time when the hospitality industry continues to reel from restrictions put in place during the pandemic. New for you this morning, our Amy Elliott joins us here in our newsroom with this unique and rather tasty story. Amy.
Oh, absolutely. This was a literal treat for me. I'm in my 30s. I am not very good in the kitchen at all, so this was certainly an inspiration for me. Now, Chef Alex Coliani, he is family friends with 11-year-old Grayson McBride, who also happens to have an interest in cooking. Now, Chef Alex lost his job during the pandemic, so he took some of that extra time to set up a unique mentorship.
That's a pretty real.
No one knows how to prepare a cob of Mexican street corn quite like executive chef Alex Coliani.
He's doing the same. He's about to do the same there in Maryland.
That's 11-year-old Grayson McBride in his kitchen in Maryland. When the chef learned Grayson had an interest in cooking, the virtual cooking lessons were born.
Favorite thing to make is this mac and cheese. I also really like making hamburgers.
Grayson, leave your chicken in for 5 more minutes, okay?
Every 3 weeks since May, the pair have teamed up online with the help of Grayson's parents, who hold the iPad for Grayson to fully see Chef Alex's instructions.
This format, you can see that they're doing it correctly or incorrectly, and give them teaching and adjustments and everything right in the moment. So it's actually much better than the way of just putting it out there and hope somebody does it right.
At the end of July, the two were able to meet in person to prepare a feast, and Grayson received his very own chef's coat.
He had a dinner for 9 people that night, and he was very proud because everybody was talking about how good the food was, and that's a key thing for anybody who wants to be a chef, is you've got to, at your core, you have to love to make people happy with food. And he has that.
Grayson's parents can vouch for it. The food is doing its job.
That is good.
Said, I just love cooking for people. And I told him, I said, that is sweet music to this mama's ears, because I will gladly let you cook for me any day.
The finished product is a beautiful plate of food. Culinary magic at its finest with a grateful student.
I think it's easier than I thought, just because since I've learned from Chef Alex, it's easy once you learn how to do it.
Cheers.
Now, Chef Coliani is expected to open up a restaurant of his own in the Triangle in the near future. He's still trying to figure out exactly what that dining experience is going to look like. But Caroline and Justin, I will tell you, he has said that since these lessons have gone so well, he's thinking about opening up the lessons to the public ahead of Thanksgiving. So certainly something to consider.
I definitely think that's something that he should do, because I think Justin and I would both, and probably you as well, eagerly sign up for lessons, especially if he's making that Mexican street corn, because Amy, you've eaten out with me before, and you know that's one of my favorites.
So good.
So good.
It looks delicious, and you're right. I need the instruction. I've burned other people's pies at Thanksgiving. I've made cornbread dressing that tastes like fish. No fish included in the ingredients, so I don't know what I'm doing.